Burn it finally, one side. So, let me do record. People, I record this, man. All of this is recorded, man. We done, complete, finally. Oh yeah, we had to cut out these violins as well. You wanna have enough cord to make a proper knot, so let me release this side here. This video is to show that you should value people's time. Even though you value your time, you have to value others' time. Because you so value your time, you don't understand? Because you so value your time, you have to understand the value of somebody else's. You just have to. And that's one thing, Green Zara always go the extra mile for the client, for his clients. Let the world know. Always go the extra mile for the clients, man. No road ain't too far, no road ain't too steep. So it's done, as you can see. Long piece for the knot. Right? Like so. Please learn to appreciate people's time. That's the knot. That's the anklet. This is about the amount of space, right? That she wants. This is the amount of space that she wants right here, as you can see. And you tie it just like that. Has enough cord to tie, right? And you just release it like so, just like that. All right, so that was it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, turn on post notifications. See y'all in the next one. Repping the Grays. Again, guys, if y'all want eco luxury, handmade, sustainable fashion made by your boy, the Gucci of the Caribbean, Greens Era. Just send me a message on Instagram at Greens Era Grenada, and I'll see what I can do for you, right? So, thanks for watching. See y'all again in the next one. Repping the Grays, family. Thank you. Peace and love.